Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing another unboxing. Normally, I'm super excited about unboxings, but this one was definitely unexpected. Yesterday, out of nowhere, my MacBook's display completely broke. Nothing turned on, like literally nothing. And that was very unexpected. So today, as you may be able to tell, it's the 4th of July, and I just went to the Apple store to get a new computer because they couldn't fix the old one. So let's unbox it. So I got the 13-inch MacBook Air. This one has 1 terabyte of storage and 16 gigabytes of memory. So this is an upgrade from what I had last time. My old one was a 2022, also a 13-inch Air, but it did have less storage and obviously wasn't as new. Still wasn't expecting this though. I do use this daily, so I knew I had to replace it right when this happened. Oop, where can I get this one? My gosh. Okay, let's unbox it. I got this in Starlight, so it actually matches the color of my iPad as well. Okay, this is what we have here. I'm gonna take it out of the box real quick. I don't want to hurt it. Okay. Let's get back to this in a minute. Okay, so it came with a charging cable. The MacBooks do come with a different charging cable. It does connect to USB-C, but it also has this. Not 100% sure what this is called, but this plugs into one of its other ports. The one thing that I do think is really cool about MacBooks is that all of their charging cords match whatever color MacBook you get. So my old Mac was navy blue, and they gave me a navy blue charging cord. This one is Starlight, so they gave me a Starlight colored cord. Another great thing, I don't know why they don't do this with iPhones, but I got a brick this time. They only give you a brick with iPads and MacBooks. So that was nice. Ooh. Okay, time for the real thing. ASMR. Ooh. Okay, let's turn it on. Ooh! So here's the keyboard. It's the same as the last one with Touch ID right here. This is going to take a while to install. I do have to somehow connect all of my data from my last MacBook to this one. It's strange because the display doesn't work at all, but the entire computer was still functional, so I connected it to a monitor and it still didn't work. This one hopefully should be different. Oh, it's in Chinese, I think. Okay, I have all the different languages coming up. Ciao. Have to wait until it gets back to English. Well, happy 4th of July, y'all. This is how I spent my day. I hope you guys enjoyed your holiday. And if you end up getting a new MacBook Air this year, let me know, and let me know what you think of the new one and how to use it in different ways. I heard there was, I want to say it's Apple Creator Cloud that they offer just for students on these new MacBooks. I heard it was a new thing that Apple released as a deal for students. So not really sure what that offers, but I know that Final Cut comes on it, so that's exciting. Let me know if you seriously know anything else about this computer or something else I can use with it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.